you guys? So today I received a package from a company called My First Wig, and I've been waiting on this package to come in because I've seen other reviews on this type of hair, and you know, I wanted to try it out. So let me show y'all what's in here. So this was the packaging, and inside of the packaging they sent me a wig stand and also this cute sturdy box. On the box it says My First Wig, and it says quality wigs for beginners. So inside of here, this cute box, because I'm definitely gonna use it later for something else. The last thing that's in here is this pretty pink packaging. I told y'all, everything is just packaged so cute, so nice and neat. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Y'all see that? It's really pretty. So inside of here, it's telling you exactly what the unit name is, the color, the texture, the length, all of that. And for this unit, y'all, I was like, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. So this unit is called GEMINI-003G. The texture is silky, the length is 14 inches, and it's a natural hair color, and the size cap is a 1, circumference around 21.5. It's a deep L part, and the lace color is in light brown. So yeah, so this is what the unit looks like, straight out of the net with, you know, no separation of the curls or anything. I've never had a curly bob, so this is what's up. There's a first for everything, so I wanted to try something a little different, and this is what I went for. My Gemini. You know, I gotta support my Geminis, you know what I'm saying? Inside of this unit there are 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. There's also 2 adjustable straps in the back. This unit comes with a stretchable dome cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the normal routine. I'm gonna try it on before, you know, I bleach the knots and do all of that, because again, not everybody likes doing all of that. So I wanna show you guys how it looks before you know, jazz it up, and how it looks after. I'm trying this unit on so that you can see it as is. The first step is to bleach the knots. I'm adding the powder and the developer, and I'm making sure that it's really thick so that it doesn't bleed through the lace. I'm only trying to bleach the knots, so always keep that in mind, that as you're bleaching the knots, make sure you make it very thick and pasty. Once I've rinsed the bleach out, I rake my fingers through my curls to prevent shedding. Then I will go through and detangle it with a wide tooth comb or a bristle brush. Now, showing you guys this lace, just in case I didn't want to use any gels or anything to hold it into place, it's blending in very well with my skin. So the next step will be to cut my baby edges the way that I want them and then mold them down into place. The last thing I'm going to do is rake through my curls. At this point, you can add any kind of curl definitions, water, moisturizers, whatever you want depending on how you want your curls to look. I love the big, dry, curled look, so I didn't add anything to it. I will put the links down below so that you can go check out their site and see what all they have. They have some beautiful units. So thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye.